Now in this video we're going to answer the following question. Find the discriminant and state the number of solutions of the equation below. And the equation we're given is x squared minus 2x minus 16 equals 0. If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. To those who are already subscribed, thank you. The discriminant of a quadratic equation is a value that provides information about the nature of its roots or solutions. It's calculated from the coefficients of the quadratic equation and appears under the square root part of the quadratic formula. So for a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. Now if the discriminant is greater than 0, it has two distinct real roots. If the discriminant is equal to 0, it has one repeated or double root. And if the discriminant is less than 0, it is said to have no real roots. So given that the general form of a quadratic expression is ax squared plus bx plus c, and comparing it with the equation we have been given, the coefficient of x squared is 1, so a equals 1. The coefficient of x is minus 2, so b equals minus 2, and our value for c is minus 16. The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So substituting our values for a, b, and c, that gives us minus 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 16, which simplifies to 4 minus 4 multiplied by minus 16, and 4 plus 64, which is equal to 68. We said earlier that if the discriminant is greater than 0, which ours is, it has two distinct real roots. So the answer to this question is 2 real solutions. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.